The same thing.
It depends on the team culture.
Yes.
Push up, dude. Push up, dude. Attaboy, Hugo. Attaboy.
No, Max, you're on the wing. Get up the field. Get up the field, bud.
Go up, Diego.
Get up the field. Look for it open. Good job. Stay on it. There, drop back quick.
Sorry, yes, yeah.
Be aware of balls close.
Hugo. Reset.
Go, Mike.
Get it.
Patrick, move up. Go, Patrick. Go. Come on, boys. Defense. Turn around. Look at the ball. Good job. You do it. Come on, Dylan. Take it, Hugo. Take it, Hugo. Push up, boys. Push up. Now come back, AIRDRIE. Come back. Okay, Patrick, go for it. Okay. Push up, boys. Good job, Patrick. Go. Go, pressure. That's you. Inside run. Rest up!
Hit. Sub, everyone on Arab. Stay on. Wait for your player.
Run, Demir. You can do it. Run.
Push up.
Edwin, not too far back. Edwin, stay up.
That's you, Demir. Win.
Go get him. Go win it.
Help him.
Josh, stay up the wing.
Good try. Reset, boys, reset. Jorah, stay right there, Jorah.
Take it. Go. for it. Finish with the play, boys. Take it up. Finish with the play. Look for a goal.
Win, push up, win.
Go back. Don't let him in behind you.
Oscar,
Hey,
send
don't
it.
let him in behind you. No.
Go, Demir. Great job, Oscar. Come back, Henry, come back.
Go get it.
Get up there. Nice tackle. Beautiful. Again, Dylan. Go. This blue ball. Take it, Dylan. Take it. Quick.
Hurry up.
Go.
Ah, lo paró.
Come here, make a run. Look for Demir. Come on, Dylan. Take it. Boy, Demir comes.
¿Cómo se llamó el equipo con el que con que nos sacaban el dedo y así?
No era con ellos.
Pero ¿cómo se llamó? Él me pregunta, él es de los meros. Calglen.
Again, Dylan. Go in. Move up. Now come back, Henry. Go on, pressure. Go, Patrick. Go, Jora. Beautiful, Jora. Nice job, Patrick. Good job. Again, boys. Get in the box. Nice work, Patrick. Move up, Oscar. Move up, Oscar. Go. That's you, Oscar.
Press up the center. Just don't let their forwards in behind you. Go get it. Center it.
Go, baby, go. Help him, boys. Keep trying. Hey, reset, boys.
Yes, Camille! Shoot! Oh!
Again, Jora.
No, Jora, that's you! Yeah, go, that's all you! That's all you, Jora, that's you!
Go, Houghton.
Let it go! That's you!
Boys, are you ready to go
Let it
on?
go! Go, that's you!
Pay attention.
Yes!
Arm up.
Get set.
Go for it. Full line.
Go out.
Let them do it. Just make sure they got the right number. They have all lines. Now what we get is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nico, they're good. Just tell them like this. Nico, they're good.
Go get it. Win it. Go win it. Good job, good ball. Good job. Okay, you guys can press up a little further, but make sure you hustle back quick, okay? So you can be open for a pass to feed it up if you need.
Oh no, it wasn't that. It was a big game.
I thought it was. I was telling these guys to press up. Okay, cover men. Go get it, go get it. Go get it, go win it. Hit quick, earn it. Look for the pass. Get it, stay on it, stay on it, stay on it. Everyone up. Good try, boys, good try. Hustle back. Hustle back. Guys, stay on it, get a foot on it, get a foot on it.
On the mirror.
Up the field.
Keep it up, keep fighting. That's you, Elliot. That's you, Elliot.
Advance to the play.
That's you, Elliot.
Advance to the play. Nice job, Harrison. Good job. Center the ball. Look for a centering pass. Center it. Go get it. Go win it. Good job. Good job. Boot it. Oh, good try. Good try, boys. Max, you can pass it to the D if you want to. Good ball. Good ball. Micah. Nice work. Micah, good thing you got that shoe tied.
Come on, boys. You got this.
Yeah, hands on them quick.
Let's go, boys.
Go get it, go get it. Good job. Go get it, don't let them behind you. Yep, good ball. Good ball. Nice job. Go get it, go win it. Go win it, boys, go win it. Go get it, go win it. Good job, stay on it, stay on it, stay on it. Stay on, look for a pass, look for a pass. Quick touch and pass. Touch pass. Go get it, go get it. Go get it, go for a shot, touch pass, or shoot. Go win it, go win it. Good job, Abby, drop back quick. Good job. Pass it in, look for a pass, go win it. Yes, yes, stay on it. Look for a pass. Good try.
Go, Lemir!
Good job, AJ, nice ball. Go win it, stay on it, go win it. Good job, pass it up, nice pass. Good job, Harrison, advance to the play. Good job, stay on it, go for it. Right!
Nice shot,
Good
Elliot.
try. Great play, boys, great play. Okay, you guys can push up a bit, because then you gotta drop back quick. Go get it! Boot it in! Oh, good try, boys! Hustle back! Wait! Go get it! Go win it! Go win! Keep up! Okay, boys, subs. Abby, you're on. You stay on. Okay, primary position. Hustle off, hustle off, hustle off. Good job, Turn it. Good job. Keep it in. Keep it in play, Win. Good job.
Hey, you guys are one.
Go win it. Go win it. Go win it. Up.
East side, go pressure.
Up the field. Out. Up the field!
Get back, get back, get back. Get up and get in there.
Good job, center it, buddy! Go win it back! Good job, boys! Go! Yes! Follow it up always!
That was a good save.
Yeah.
Well done. Very well done.
Get open for him! Let's take it quick! Get open! Yep! Go with it! Pass it up! Pass it up! Gotta be fast! Touch pass, boys! Touch pass! Go for it!
Please get up.
Center it! Oh no! Oh no! Up! Okay, turn it! Good job! Go win it! Win, get on it quick! Good job, Abby!
Again, Cuba, again.
Hey, boys! Yeah. Abby, you're right here. Make sure you stay on the right side, right?
You're gonna go here, yep.
Don't let him go get him!
Go, Patrick, go.
Run, Patrick, run!
Keep running. Go, Patrick, go.
Get over, bro! Yes, follow it!
Nice, Oscar.
Keep it up! Go win it!
Go, Hugo, go! You can do it, Hugo!
Come on, Dylan. Go, Isa. Keep fighting, Patrick. Get a ball, Patrick. Good job.
Up, pass! Good job!
Again, Patrick.
Turn it! Win it! Good job! Touch pass! Touch pass, boys! Touch pass! Good job! Touch pass! Nice
That's
work!
where you go.
Stay on, buddy! Don't give up! Good job, Josh!
Send it, Hugo, send it.
Push through!
Beautiful.
Shoot! Shoot!
Again, Isa. Go for it, Isa.
Good try, guys. Good try.
Elliot!
Good work, Hugo. Good work, Dylan.
Isa ya no puede. Elliot!
Okay, boys, subs! Everyone, who stays on?
Oh my goodness! Excellent job!
get it. Go win it. Go win it. Good job. Stay on it.
Back to him.
Go, Dylan, go, go, go.
Cover. This way, cover. He's quick. He's quick.
Center it. Center it. Center it. Oh, good job, buddy. Hey, guys. Advance up the front. You guys. Up here. Up here. Aaron, come up here. Yes.
¡Córrele!
Hey, guys, read them quick and attack them quick. Don't give them a second. Okay, go get it. Go get it. Yes.
No, este no lo van a sacar fácil.
No, dale motivación a los niños, no les digas
No,
eso.
no sé, pero yo ya sé de antemano que nos hizo mucho daño que no viniera Adi. Y Jora se siente mal.
Están muy cansados. yo
No,
los
se
veo.
siente mal.
Lloran. Pues no lo metas casi.
Find your position quick. Work him in.
Again.
Try again, boys, again.
Ahí estaba el gol.
Ball to the air.
Again, boys, get into the box, get into the box. Get into the box.
Push up, buddy. There's nobody around you.
In between them and the goalie. In between him and the goalie. Good job.
Again, Demir, again.
Okay.
Dribble it in.
All right, there, AIRDRIE, defense, AIRDRIE.
You go, Patrick. Back.
You take it, Mike, and get open.
One pressure.
Nice ball. Go win it. Go win it. Go win it. Go win it. Win it. Win it.
Kick it out, Oscar.
Oh, good try. Good try.
Oh, Demir. Control it, Demir, control it.
Turn it. Touch pass. Okay, good job. Okay, turn it. Play it in quick. Pass it in quick. No, that's blue. That's blue ball.
It's white.
Okay.
Go, Hugo.
Go.
Nice ball, Demir. Nice ball, buddy.
You didn't stop it.
Don't complain about it. You just pay attention to the game. Pass it up. Good job. Good ball, Harrison. Pass it in and center it.
Eso, Oscar. Good job.
Touch pass. Get open for him. Get open. You win it. That's good. Good job. Center it. Go for it. Oh, good job, boys. Boys, be ready. Defense not too far up. Go get it. Go win it.
Patrick.
Stay on it, go in it, battle for it, look for a pass, touch pass, go get it, go get it, go get it. Good job, turn it, win it, win it, win it. Good job.
Now drop back, drop back, drop back. Good job, Patrick, good job, Patrick. Come on, Isa, go for the ball.
Stay on it, Edwin, go win it.
That's you, Demir.
Don't drop too far back.
Go, 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 Isa. Go, Isa.
Pass it up the field, quick. No, no.
Break! You can do it, Isa! You can do it!
Field, no. Go win it, go win
Go,
it.
Demir! Oh. It's okay, it's okay.
Yeah, don't drop back past the circle, buddy. Josh, your left wing. Okay, it's a goal kick. Remember where you're supposed to be, on the retreat line. Right and left wing on the retreat line. Boys. It's okay.
Nice, nice, Adele.
When it's our goalie kick, you're on the retreat line, right?
Demir, watch behind you. Demir, watch behind you. Watch behind you. Come on, move up, AIRDRIE, move up.
Okay, boys. Don't get too far back. No pressure. The moment he touches it, go get it. Edwin, you're up top. The moment he touches it, go get it. Yeah, Edwin, you stay up. Go get it. Go win it. Don't let him have that.
Send it,
Let
Patrick.
him have that.
Go, Patrick.
Okay, cover him in. Cover him in. Go get it. Go. Okay, you okay? Okay, boys, don't abandon your positions. Ollie, don't leave him open. In between the forward and the net. Good job, good D. Okay, find your positions on the lines, boys. On the lines. On the lines. Toomey, right out here, on the retreat line. Push up. Go to the ball, Toomey. Go to the ball. Go to the ball, buddy. Toomey, keep focused, bud. Get open for him. Get open. Go win it. Go win it. Go win it. Go win it.
Vamos a dar, quítasela, quítasela.
Go for it, buddy. Center it.
Nice, Adele.
Drop back, Ollie, drop back. Oh, good try. Go get it, go win it, go win it, go battle for it, go battle for it, Josh, don't give up.
Adele, don't lose it there.
Back up, right.
Okay,
Isa.
Patrick!
Each group has 3 players for 2 spots. So everybody stays on for 2.
But if you want to stay,
You never know what he's doing. He's very, I hear he wants to see his practice, but I walked in and
Go, Demir.
it's I don't mean you never know, but like they're young and they're hard expressing how they're feeling sometimes, right? So he said before the game he wasn't feeling well, and then he wanted to sit. Nice ball. Okay, push up quick, guys.
Hey, don't let them in behind you. Arab, don't let them in behind you. Go win it. Guys, drop back in the play a little. Go get it, go win it.
I know we need a shot. I know we need a shot.
Hey boys, in positions quick. Right on the line, on the retreat line. Micah, on the retreat line, on the edge, just like the picture. That's on the retreat line. Go get it, go win it, go win it, go win it. Yep, go win it, go win it. Up the wing, pass it, good job. Take it.
Híjole, ya iba, ya lo vi. ¡Eso, Oscar! ¡Agárrala! La salvó Oscar.
Send it, Oscar, send it. Vamos.
Hey, clear it up. Good job. Okay, boys, not too far back. Wings can go up. Dean, you stay where you are. Go get it, go win it. Go win it. Good job, go win it. Micah, back up the wing. Good job, buddy. Stay open for him. Stay open. Stay open for him. Arab, play it in and pass it. Go for it. Go win it back! Good job, dudes!
Who's on that side? Who's on the other side?
You guys, Micah, you gotta be a little farther up so you can get a pass. Alright, pass it up! Good job! Don't fight over it, look for a pass! Look for a pass! Open!
Nice, Elliot. Hey, you have one over there by himself. Nunca me escuchan. Oliver.
Ay. Es que no la pasa.
No, y es que no van por ella.
Good job, dudes!
Come on, boys, folks.
Ready to play. Micah, when it's a goalie ball, you can drop back to the retreat line. Okay? Right on the edge. When it's our ball, it's our goalie ball. Okay?
Ah, yo por él, no porque estoy jugando mal.
Come here. Do it.
Es que lo veo como que se bloquea mucho.
Ya no aguantan.
Go win it! Good job! Look for a pass, man! Nice try, buddy! Good try! Boys, are you ready to go? Boys, ready to rock? You know where you're going?
Adael.
Right here. Take a knee right here. Go, kick it in! Kick it in!
¡Go, Patrick!
Fire it!
¡Se espera!
On it!
¿Qué se le queda viendo?
Oye, ¿qué te iba a decir? ¿Cuánto vamos perdiendo?
3-0.
No,
ya
manches.
no.
Wait, hold on! Subs!
Bueno, todo puede pasar.
Hold on. What? Are we subbing? Yes, okay, sorry, subs! Wait. Hustle, boys, hustle!
¿Cómo es posible que el otro equipo... Hombre, no, estoy bien desesperado. Bien burros todos. ¿Eh? Lo vas a tener que quitar eso. Mira, ahí la va a perder otra vez. Claro. bueno, yo no voy a calmar. Ya
Es que
también
sabes que te faltó también.
nos desajustó todo. Y también que he pasado de lanza, la verdad. Si él se hizo un commitment para el torneo. Pressure, boys!
That was a tough image. All of us were like this. Push it up, Oscar, quick, buddy.
Come on, boys!
Way back. He's right behind you. Way back. Don't let them behind you. Go win it. 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 Stay on it. Battle for it. Hustle back. Hustle back. Good job, boys. Okay, turn it quick. Go win it. Yes. Good ball. Go win it. Go win it. Battle for it. Go win it. Don't let them have it. Go battle for it. Go battle.
Go, 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 go!
Go battle for it. Don't stop. Up the wing. Up the wing. Timmy, turn it up the wing.
Ándale, hijo. Eso.
Open. Run the other way.
Go, go, go!
Don't stand there. Up the wing.
Check, go, go, check!
Good job. Good G. Good G, boys. Get G. Get up there. Dash. Move up. Edwin, not too far. You stay up at the circle. Good job. Now turn. Get open for him. Hustle. Hustle. Beauty. Go win it. Win it. Win it. Battle for it.
Hijo de su abuela.
Up the field. Same one, buddy. Turn back. Good try. Good try. Go get it. Go get it. Go win it. Go win it. Go win it. Win it. Win it. Back to your position. Go win it, boys. Pass it up. Pass it up. Oh, good try, Win.
Good job on that! Good job there!
Another run. Okay, attack it once he touches it. Wait, Arab, he's behind you. Arab, don't let them behind you. Yeah, good grab. Battle for it, battle for it, battle for it, battle for it.
Boys, he's blue ball! Mark one! Patrick, go to the side! Stay there, Adele, stay there! Dylan! Good job, Oscar! Ya no.
Go! Stay on it! Stay on it!
That's the line. I was here, closer than you.
You have to, man.
Who stays on?
You only get a blue station sub. Go, go, go!
Stop! Wait, let them
Do it!
Dylan, what position do you play?
Come on, Demir. Come on, Houghton. Come on, Flora. You got this. You go another way.
from behind you.
Go and receive in the middle. Go and receive, Demir.
Go attack him.
Demir, get down. Drop down. Demir, go help him. Demir, drop down to receive.
Para aquí.
Go, Isa.
Turn it, buddy. Turn it. Stay on it. Stay on it. Stay on it.
Esos pases de Isa. Good job, Elliot. Adael.
Ay, se le fue.
It's okay, White. Come on. Keep playing. Keep playing.
Ya cuando vamos 4-0. No
Boys,
manches.
come on. Keep playing. Keep having fun.
Hey, boys, don't lose focus. Don't lose focus. Find your positions quick. Find your positions quick. Go win it. 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 Good job, Harrison. Up the wing. Pass it up. Pass it up. Nice job. Oh. Nice job, Harrison. Hustle back! Don't wait! Don't wait! Good save! Beautiful save!
Hold on, Isa. Hold on. Isa. Go. Wait, support.
Support! Wait, Finn! Not too far! Not too far! Up the wing! Up the wing! Good pass! Take it up the wing! Take it as far as you... Oh! Good try! Okay, mark a man, quick! Mark a man! Mark a man! Don't wait! Mark a man! Mark your man!
No, focus, guys, focus.
Drop. Toss it up the wing. Max, move in the play. You're too far out.
Go, Isa.
Don't get so far out.
Go, Dora.
Up the wing. Up. Center it. Center it up. Good try. Follow in. Go get it. Go win it. Win it, buddy. Go get it. Good ball. Take it. Go for it. Win it. Go back and win it. Try, get up, join the play.
Wait until the next.
Get open for him.
I want you to go there with no fear.
Okay,
I want you to go there and hustle hard, okay?
El juego pasado hicieron el gol en 1 minuto. Pueden hacerlo todavía. ¿Cuánto vamos?
3-1.
Boy, sub.
Isa, ya no aguanta Isa.
Adael! You need to listen to it in Spanish.
Papi, Llora no corre. ¿Por qué sacas a Dale y dejas a Llora?
Hey, White, finish strong,
Que
boys.
ellos ya no aguantan, mami, tampoco.
No corre nada.
Déjalo,
no
déjalo, por lo menos que estorbe. Es que ellos ya no aguantan, ya no tienen aire. No puedo dejar a alguien que ya no tiene aire. Come on, boys, move up, move up, move up.
Okay, go back. Win, hustle back. Go attack him. Go get it. Go get it.
No.
Win, don't wait. Don't wait for him. You go get it. Like a laser beam. Okay, Edwin, you're striker. You move up. Win, you come back on the other side of him. Okay, you guys, retreat line. It's a goal kick. Wings, it's a goal kick. Where are you? Get in the play. Josh, get in the play. It's a goal kick. You're on the retreat line. Play it up. Good job. Edwin, take your time. Make some moves. Stay on it, buddy. Go get it, Josh. Turn it. Look for a pass. Good pass. Stay on it. Win it. Good job, Joel. Send it, send it. Go, Dylan. Go, Dylan.
Go, Dylan. Run, Dylan.
Good job. Good ball.
Dile que rápido, ya, que saque.
Up the wing.
Run, Jordan, run.
Up the wing. Go for it, Jimmy. Good ball. Yes. Oh, so close. Good ball. Good ball. Good play. Go win it. Win, you gotta drop back quick. Go win it, buddy. Play it to the middle. Good job. Stay on it.
Run, Jordan, run.
Come on, boys, drop down. Good job, Oscar.
Battle for it.
¿Te fijas?
Good job, boys.
Que no corre. Nada. Lo dejaste casi todo el juego este tiempo.
No.
¿No?
Good job, boys.
Yes. Look for a pass. Look for a pass next time, Lily.
Sub.
Miran.
Sub.
Get in position, quick.
He's feeling bad. That's the reason. He's feeling bad, the nine. He's feeling bad.
Go win it.
It's done?
Yeah, it's almost done anyways. It's
Go
like
win
a
it.
minute
Go win
left.
it.
Ah.
Go win it. Go win it. Good job. Good job. Stay on it. Yes.
Come on, Demir.
Move up. Move up. Move up.
Go. Help, Dora. Ya no, hijo. Ya no.
Yo le dije a tu papá que por qué te sacó a ti.
No tenía opción, amor. Él ya no aguantaba.
Ay, ¿tú no aguantabas? No, yo sí. Ahí está.
Entonces fue aquel señor que me dijo. De esta manera no hubiéramos ganado, ¿no? Porque Adel está en defensa y no quiere ser centrocampista, no puede meter gol. O sea, tampoco me quiere ayudar a Adel con esa posición.
Sí, más que ahorita no vino algo, hijo de
Exactamente.
Yes. Good play.
Él dice, no, yo más defiendo y nomás defiendo. ¿Qué me dijiste en la casa?
Go win it. Stay on it,
Go,
boys.
Jordan.
Stay on it. Stay on it.
buscar la pelota.
Stay on it. Look for a pass.
Ya que piten. Para no tener control. De hecho, ya lo voy a parar.